Good evening, students. Okay, today we'll see how to create the packages. Okay, so packages is a collection of different modules. Okay, we can create the number of modules and we can collectively form as a package. So we'll create a folder with the name of our required package, and within that we need to create the required files. Okay, so for this, I created a folder as the mypack. Mypack is the folder name, and within that I created the files. One is the wl.py and init.py. This is the must and should, the same name you need to follow. Two underscore symbols in it, and again two underscore symbols dot py. Okay, within this, we didn't write any code, just we need to create this file in the package. And this I created another folder as a sub package unit 1. Within that I have the files again init.py and pyth.py. Okay, this is the folder structure we need to follow for creating of a packages. Okay, now we'll see how to import these packages. Okay, so open the Python IDLE, and these are the files that we created. Okay, so in the wal.py, this is the file in the mypack folder, and within that I created a function as welcome, and there is some message in this. And another file is pyth.py. This is in the unit 1 folder. Okay, mypack unit 1 folder. I created a file as python file and with the function python. And init file has only one line as a commented line. Okay, this is not required. We need not to write anything in this file, but we need to create a file with this name. Okay, this must be there in the folder, but you need not to write any code in the file. Okay, next. Okay, first import the sys. Import sys. Okay, that is we are importing the system package. Then check the system.path, sys.path. Then you'll get all the folders which are available in the path. Okay, whenever you are importing the packages, our Python system has to search for the your package within these folders. Okay, so that you need to include the your folder path in this uh, system path. Okay, for that you will be use the statement as sys.path.append. Within that you need to mention the path of your folder, your package, that is d colon college data subjects Python. Okay, this is the base folder, that is parent folder for mypack. Okay, my package name is mypack. The base folder for that is the Python. Okay, so within the Python folder I created the mypack. So Python folder we are here we are mentioning the here. Okay, so up to Python folder just add the path. Then now you can import the packages. Import mypack. Okay, you are importing your package. From the mypack we are importing well, that is WEL module. Okay, so from that I can call the welcome function with a message VVIT. Welcome Mr. or Miss VVIT. Okay, then I want to import the sub package also. So for that I am writing as from mypack dot unit 1. Okay, so I am importing a unit 1 package which is a sub package of mypack. Import pyth. This is the module in that package. Now we can import the python. Okay, this is the function that is in the Python module. Now you can see the function result. Okay, so this is working. This is the working of a packages. Okay, first we need to create the required folders and files. Then you can add that path into that path to the system path. Then you can import the one by one packages and modules within the packages. Then you can call the functions in that particular modules. Okay, so this is used whenever you are creating a similar modules as a collection or as a package. Okay, so practice these packages. Okay, so by this we will be completed the unit 3, and from the next class we will start the unit 4. Okay.